everyone, so I'm here amidst my children torturing me. I decided to do two pigments from Sugarpill, Mystic and Trance, with the matching Nocturne. I think this is matte liquid, but it might be a gloss. Like a beautiful blue with pink shimmer. So apparently, someone dropped a pin in Czechoslovakia, and my dog hears it here. So I'm just taking a touch of Trance, which has like it's like a blackened burgundy or purple. Oh yeah, that's purple. Pretty. That is pretty. And I'm going to use Ghosted for the highlight and inner corner. It's a white with a purple dual chrome. So Trance, I just barely touched it to get that, because it's a pigment and I don't want it to go all over my face. Alright. I'm gonna clean up and finish my makeup. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. Yes, this is a matte liquid lipstick. It's really pretty. The eyeshadow and the lipstick match. They're both like a periwinkle because they're blue, but they have like a pink shimmer in it. So it's like a more of a periwinkle. I just really love it. And I took the Ghosted, which is the white with the purple duochrome, and I also put it in my inner corners, and I used it as highlighter as well. And I just used my a Revlon berry colored blush. I think it is called Berry. So that's what I did for that. So I know it's a long time no see. I did bleach my hair yesterday, but it's supposed to be 1 to 1.5, and the more I was stirring this bleach, the one I've had for a while now, I think it's Ion or something, it's supposed to be for sensitive scalp, I ran out of liquid. It was about 1 to 1.5, but the more I use it, the thicker it got, and I was like, I'm not going to be able to saturate my hair, so I put in some conditioner. I know some people use shampoo, but I put in some conditioner. And this did not turn. This is a gold, which I prefer a light blonde. The blue in my hair does not want to come out again. And then this pink doesn't want to come out. But it looks like I still have some green, or is that might just be the blue, but yeah, so definitely the yellow came out. That's probably the orange still in my hair, but you know, it's the roots too that didn't work. So I ordered the Schwarzkopf, which is what Aislinn recommends, that because it's got like an Olaplex stuff in it to help bond your hair, because after I bleach, when I go to comb out my hair, after I put in a bunch of conditioner, you could see on the detangling comb it's got a lot of hair. But anyway, this is how it came out. I wanted to, so I ordered the Schwarzkopf because I want to try and go over the blue and the pink and my roots again. And then I want to do yellow in the front and then the purple in the back. I didn't want to repurchase the big bottle, but nowhere could I find the smaller bottle of the Limelight, and the smaller bottle of the Limelight was a lot more yellow than the new Limelight, but I want to just put a tad of that to see if I can get the yellow to look more neon-y. So let's see what happens with that.